Hi viewers, my name is Imran Ashraf and you are watching Windows 11 video series. Viewers, I have already recorded Windows 11 overview of the Windows 11, and this is the second video. In this video I will discuss the installation options available in for Windows 11. So let's start the video. Viewers, basically Windows 11 has three options for installation. You need to check that and determine which is the best for or best option for you to install on your PC. First of all, if you are upgrading Windows 10 to 11, so Microsoft recommends you wait until you get notified through the Windows update that is upgrade is ready for your PC. So before installing Windows 11, you also need to check with PC Health Check. That is an app to confirm either your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11 or not. Link is given in the video description as well. Further, you also need to check the known issues that may affect your device. This link is also given in the in the video description. So before going to discussing the all three options, let me give you let me explain how we can check the PC health for the provision of Windows 11. So let's start the some hands-on for this purpose. So we are welcome in the hands-on. So here we will check the minimum requirements for the installation of Windows 11. So if we go to the settings and update and security, and here we can see this PC does not currently meet the minimum system requirements of to run Windows 11. So we will check from the this is the get PC health check, which I have already installed here, and we can see this is the PC health at a glance. Check now. If I click on check now, this will show me the all details of the system requirements which we required. So first of all, we start from bottom, that is screen check mark. The processor clock speed is 1 gig, which is okay, fine. I have 2.6. the processor has 2 or more cores, which is fine. I have 2 cores. The system disk is 64-bit or larger, which is also good, and green check 128 GB. The next thing is the system there is at least a 4 GB system memory RAM, which is I have 16 GB. The important thing is viewers, the processor is not currently meet the system requirement. So basically this is a 64-bit processor, but it is not meeting requirement because of because its generation is not its generation is 4 i5 4 generation, while I have this is the while for Windows 11 we required 8 generation, at least it's 8 generation. So if we click on this supported CPU and check the minimum requirement, also here Windows 11 system requirements showing CPU 1 gig we already discussed, 2 cores already discussed, RAM 4 GB, storage 64 GB, fine. Firmware UEF5, it's good. We can also go in BIOS and change for it. It's TPM is a trusted platform module. Its version required version is 2.0, while we will just check which version we have. I have installed graphics card, display, internet connectivity, everything is fine. So we start from if we go to the TPM and see if TPM is ready for use, that is tpm.msc. okay, and here you can see the TPM is ready for use, so it's good. The next thing, we need to check which version of TPM we have, and also we check the processor which is 64-bit or not. So here we are going to TPM, that is Windows Security, Windows Security, Device Security, And after device security, here you can see the security processor. You can see the security processor is specified version is 1.2. that is not enough for Windows installation 11 installation. That's why it is giving the error from here, showing the warning, that is TPM. So the next thing is the secure boot. If we see the secure boot is important security feature designed to prevent the malicious software from loading when your PC starts or boots up. For modern PCs are capable of secure boot. Here we can go in settings, after settings, update and security, this security, after that security is recovery. If we go in recovery and restart our PC, here we will find the option restart now. After restarting PC, troubleshooting option, we go in advanced options and find the UEFI firmware setting and restart our PC. After restarting, we can see we can again, let me open this to show you. Update and security, and then recovery. Yes, this one is recovery. I'm not sure why it's not opening. So in the meanwhile, let me open the again this app and see the more about CPUs. So let me check why our processor is not qualifying. Here is the everything we are already discussed. RAM, processor, list of approved CPU. Yeah, this one I need to check what are the CPU. This is the Windows processor requirements, right? And this is the list of the Windows processor requirement basically 10, 7, 10, 8, and now we can see here this is the 11, and this is the Intel CPU processor. Let me open. Here we can see the table Intel Celeron, and above is Atom Celeron, and if we go this, here starts Core i3. You just notice i3 10 generation, right? 11 generation, 8 generation, 9 generation, 9. Now it start i5 10 generation, i5 11 generation. You have just noticed 8 generation, 9 generation, i7 10 generation, 11 generation, and this list goes on. So viewers, we have found the reason why our processor is not supporting. So we will find the way out for the installation of Windows 11, and later on I will discuss also this thing. So the recovery, it's not opening. I think it's jamming. Let me open again and show you Windows update and security and recovery. Here we can restart our system and go to the that particular option. So this is the PC health check, if our system is supporting or not. So viewers, go to the video and again discuss the remaining options for the installation and find the way out how we can install Windows 11. So welcome back to the video again. So viewers, we have discussed the option check for updates, how we can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. And also we have discussed the compatibility with the help of the PC health check. So the next thing is the option for installation. First option was the upgrade from 10 to 11. The users who don't want to clean install but who want to upgrade from 10 to 11, and if your system is qualifying for the requirement of the Windows 11, you can upgrade your system and you can upgrade from 10 to 11. So the next option is Windows 11 installation with the help of installation assistant or with the help of the media creation. So installation assistant is also a small utility. This is the best option for installing Windows 11 on the device you are currently using. You can download simply from, I will also add the link from in the video description. You can also download from there, and you need to create the run that assistant as an administrator, and you can upgrade your Windows from 10 from 11. So but before starting with the Windows assistant, you must have a valid Windows 10 license. Your PC must have a version of 2004, Windows 10 basically version of 2004 or higher installed on your system to run this installation assistant, as we discussed previously. So also your PC must qualify for Windows 11 upgrade requirements, as we discussed in hands-on video portion of the video. So that needs basically certain features, and we must qualify for this. After downloading the assistant, you need to run as an administrator. Basically this tool will run as an administrator. So once the hardware compatibility check is okay, you need to accept and install this Windows 11 with the help of this tool, and you will at the end you will restart your system with the by pressing the button, and you will be in the process, and you will install your new Windows 11. The next thing, the second option, it is also includes second option, that is Windows 11 with the help of installation media. The installation basically this is installation will be with the help of installation media. If you want to perform reinstall or clean install or on your new PC or used PC, this option will be fine. This tool also will be downloaded from Microsoft website, and I will also add this link as well in description. You need to create a bootable USB or DVD as we perform the installation. To get started, we need a license, a valid license for Windows 11, or have a Windows 10 from where you are going to upgrading. So make sure your internet is also functioning, and you need a sufficient data storage available on the computer, USB or external device for downloading this media creation tool. After downloading, you need to write this in on a DVD, or that must be 8 GB, at least 8 GB, or you have to create a USB that must also be 8 GB. After making the bootable USB, you have to run this tool, and you can install with the help of tool. So viewers, I will also add the portion here in or I will create a new video for these two methods for the installation of Windows 11. So the last option is you also can install Windows with the help of ISO image. That is, this option is for users who want to create a bootable installation media, and that is USB drive or DVD. But this is not any tool involved, but this is the only ISO, and this is the normal way we install like Windows 10 before. Basically this is a edition ISO which uses your product key to unlock the correct edition. So you need to check also you have sufficient storage available, and you have a USB, or you have a DVD, external DVD, to write this ISO on it. So after creating your USB or burning your DVD, you can install from the help of the ISO. So viewers, I will also try to create a new video, another video for the installation of all these methods. And this was all about for the Windows installation options which we have available. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have learned something new, please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, and bye for now.